kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong ko chongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Menteri Kesarkar Jela Bakmi Ektanat Sports and Youth Affairs ba Wailat Miki Shalla haga khat arteri ujeliu arjar pun riu lapan pau jinsau scam ba jing pun kre nam tak lampung ilakai National Games kawan nong husnam arjar punyau po kani ke Jela kiliat syakmat balakmi lenti ba baro ki projek ibang sateng en Pyndep lut hakapor blabu. Ulihat hu Menteri Kesarkar Pedang Bakmi Ektanat Youth Affairs and Sports dangshen ulawan sakani ke Jela ban jurip yak jing pun kre yak National Games.
So the status is that I think it's not me actually. If you remember, just few weeks back, our Union Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs was here for his visit, and then he himself took stock of the preparation here, and I think he himself also have spoken to press that mentioning that he's quite happy with the progress made till now. No doubt there are a little bit of issue with few projects, but we are fully confident that they will be completed on time. So no doubt side by side now, as you all know that we already formed the national game this society where because we want to speed up things, because if we every time we have to send the files to secretariat, it will take much longer time. So that's why for the smooth functioning we already formed the national game this society, and then now I already directed the department also to start appointing the people responsible for different committees, for the accommodation, for the transportation, for this health and other committees. There will be different committees. So I have asked them also that in the month's time that they should put people. So after that, then I can call one by one committee where I can review and I can ask their preparedness for the national games.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.